Hello YouTube, here's a video showing some Elgin size 18S pocket watches. This first one is made in 1898, 7 jewel grade 208. This one here can be called a sidewinder. It's made in 1905. It's 7 jewel grade 309. And this is a lever set, which means you unscrew the front, pull this lever to set the time. This is a 1917 made 7 jewel grade 288 18S. It should have a stem wind. This is made in 1919, 7 jewel grade 288 18S. See, it opens up like that. This would be stem set, stem wind. See, this one was made in 1924, 7 jewel, grade 288 18S. It's also a set by the crown and then stem wind. See, this one started up. These ones that were lever set very often were used by the railroad because they were supposed to be set by someone in charge for standardization purposes, although this is not a railroad grade. I also have this pin. I could get it to focus here. It says Elgin Fox Valley Softball League Banquet, January 24th, 1940. And it's like a 12S watch dial, maybe a 16S, I think, basically, with a pin on the back to wear. So the people that worked at the watch factory in Elgin, Illinois, who were on the softball team, would have received this pin or pendant to wear. That's about all I have to say about these watches. If you have anything to add, please let me know in the comments section below. Thank you.